Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Life is a one time offer. Live it well. With this beautiful thought, let's begin our class with an activity. Stand on loose sand. Your feet go deep into the sand. Now, lie down on the sand. What happens? You will not find that your feet or your body will not go deep into the sand. What is the reason for that? In both the cases, the force exerted on the sand is the weight of your body, which is same in both the cases. Then what is the reason? Yes, my dear students, your answer is correct. The reason is the force acting perpendicular to the surface. Then what is the name for this force acting perpendicular to the surface? Yes, it is called thrust. Yes, my dear students, in this section we are going to learn about thrust and pressure. Thrust is the total force acting perpendicular to the surface. Each quantity will have a definite SI unit. Then what is the SI unit of thrust? Are you having any guess? Yes, here thrust is equal to force. Then what is the SI unit of force? It is Newton. Then what will be the SI unit of thrust? It is also Newton. Next, we are going to discuss about pressure. What is pressure? The force per unit area acting on an object is called pressure. It can also be said as thrust per unit area. If the area is more, then the pressure will be less. And if the area is less, then the pressure will be more. So, pressure is always inversely proportional to the area. Let me explain the relation between pressure and the area with an example. Hold a pencil in your hand between the index and thumb finger. Give a pressure to the pencil. After some time, remove the pencil from your fingers. What did you notice? You will notice a sign of depression in your fingers. The depression is more in your index finger than the thumb finger. The reason is when you give pressure to the pencil will exert an equal and opposite pressure according to the Newton's third law. Since the tip of the pencil is having very small area, the pressure is also high, so we are getting more depression. But in the thumb finger, the area of the pencil is more and we are getting a less pressure, so the depression is also less. Then, what is the SI unit of pressure? Pressure is equal to force per unit area. So, the SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. It is also known as Pascal. 1 Pascal is defined as 1 Newton per square meter. It is denoted in the honor of a French scientist Blaise Pascal. Okay, my dear students, let's recall the topics which we had learnt in this section. The first topic is thrust. Thrust is the total force acting perpendicular to the surface. The unit of thrust is Newton. Next is pressure. Pressure is the thrust per unit area. The unit of pressure is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Before winding, let's have a small quiz. What is the SI unit of thrust? Good. Your answer is correct. The SI unit of thrust is Newton. The second question is, for more pressure, the area should be dash. Very good. Your answer is correct. For more pressure, the area should be less. With this quiz, let's wind our class. I will meet you in another class with another new topics. Thank you, students.